Hello everyone. In this session we are going to discuss about transmission system. Introduction to the transmission system. A transmission system is a system that transmits a signal from one place to the another. The signal that can be electrical, optical or radio signal. What is meant by a transmission system? A transmission system, it is a system that transmits a signal from one place to another. The signal can be an optical, electrical, or that can be a radio signal. Some transmission system contain multipliers which amplifies a signal prior to retransmission, or regenerators which attempt to reconstruct and reshape the coded message before retransmission. The transmission system is the medium through which data is transmitted from one point to the another. Example of the common transmission system people use every day are the internet. Internet is the one of the major example of the transmission system, and the mobile network or cordless cables, etc. These are the examples of the transmission systems. Next heading, transmission media. What is a transmission media? If we want to transmit an information from one station to the another station, we need a medium. We need a medium to transmit the data. The transmission medium can be broadly defined as anything that can carry information from source to the destination. For example, the transmission media of two people having the dinner conversation is the air. Air is also a transmission media. The air can also be used to convey the message in a smoke signal or semaphore. For a written message, the transmission media may be a mail carrier or a truck or an aeroplane. In this diagram we can see the sender. We have a sender and the receiver, the physical layer of the sender, physical layer of the receiver, how both the sender and the user, both the sender and the receiver is communicating. They are communicating through the transmission media, that may be a cable or that may be a air. Several examples of the transmission media are: first one, magnetic media. One of the most convenient way to transfer data from one computer to the another computer, even before the birth of the networking, was to save it on some storage media. We need to save that in the some storage media and then transfer physical from one station to the another station. Though it may seem old fashioned was in today's world, higher speed internet, but when the size of the data is huge, the magnetic media comes into play. That is the example of the transmission media, that is magnetic media. For example, a bank has to handle and transfer huge data to its customer, which stores a backup of it as the some geographically far away place for security reasons, and to keep it from uncertain calamities. If the bank need to store it huge backup data, then its transfers through internet is not feasible. The WAN links may not support such huge speed. Even if they do, the cost too heavy to fund. In these cases, data backup is stored on the magnetic tapes and the magnetic disks and then shifted physically to the remote places. That is the speciality of the magnetic media. Second example of the transmission media is twisted pair cable. Twisted pair cable is made up of two plastic insulated copper wire twisted together to form a single medium. That's why it is called as twisted pair cable. The Out of these two wires, only one carries the actual signal and another is used to for the ground references. The twists between wires are helpful in reducing the noise. Electromagnetic interfaces are the crosstalks. There are two types of twisted pair cables. One is shielded twisted pair cable, and this is the diagrammatic view of the twisted pair cable. There are two types of twisted pair cables are there. One is shielded twisted pair STP cable, unshielded twisted pair UTP cable. The STP cable comes with twisted wire pair covered in metal foil. This makes it more indifferent to noise and crosstalk. UDP has 7 categories, each suitable for specific use. In computer network, CAT5, CAT5e and CAT6 cables are mostly used. UTP cables are connected with RJ45 connectors. That is about the twisted pair. Next one, third one, coaxial cable. Another example of the transmission media is coaxial cable. Coaxial cable has two wire of copper. The core wire lies in the center and it is made up of solid character. The core is enclosed in an insulating shield. The second wire is wrapped around over the shield and the two in turn encased by insulator shield. This all is covered with a plastic cover. Because of this its structure, the coaxial cable is capable of carrying high frequency signal than the twisted pair cable. Comparatively to that, the wrapped structure provides it a good shield against noise and crosstalks. The the coaxial cable provides high bandwidth rate of up to 450 Mbps. There are three categories of coaxial cable, namely RJ59 cable TV, RJ58 thin Ethernet, RJ11 thick Ethernet, RJ. What is the RJ? RJ stands for radio government. Cables are connected using BNC conductor and BNC-T. BNC terminator is used to terminate the wire at the four ends. This is the diagrammatic view of the coaxial cable. This is about this session. In this session, we have discussed about the transmission system, the introduction to the transmission system, what is a transmission system and what are the signals of that transmission system, what is a transmission media, what are some of the examples of the transmission media, and how the transmission happens through the medium from one station to the another station, and some of the examples of the transmission media. So we have different examples of the transmission media. Those are magnetic media. In the magnetic media, it is going to transfer the data from one computer to the another computer before the internet working was introduced. Suppose large data has to send with the high speed internet, it's very cost effective. So there we will use a magnetic media or magnetic tapes or discs in order to take the backups. Twisted pair cable, this is made up of plastic insulating copper. Those are twisted to form a media in which we have two wires. One wire actually sends the signals and another wire is used for the ground reference. And this is the diagrammatic representation of the twisted pair. And we have two types of twisted pair, shielded twisted pair and unshielded twisted pair. Coaxial cable, another example of the transmission media is coaxial cable. So coaxial cable has two wires of a copper. So in this, the thickness is it is the thickness of the Ethernet thickness. So we have three categories of the coaxial cable. Those are RJ59, RJ58, and RJ11. That is, RJ stands for radio government, and so cables are connected using BNC connector and BNC-T. BNC terminator is used to terminate the wire at the far end. This is the examples of the transmission media. This is the diagrammatical representation of the transmission media. This is about this session. Thank you.